Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best car humidifier for your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best car humidifier for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Driving in dry air, especially during winter or in air-conditioned environments, can lead to dry skin, irritated sinuses, and an uncomfortable ride. That's where a best car humidifier comes in handy. These compact devices add moisture to the air, improving comfort and even helping preserve your car's interior materials. If you're looking to buy the best car humidifier, here's what you should know. What to look for in a car humidifier. Size and portability. A car humidifier should be compact enough to fit into your cup holder or plug directly into a USB port or 12V socket. Lightweight models are easy to move and store. Power source. Most car humidifiers run via USB, making them compatible with power banks or car chargers. Others use a 12V cigarette lighter port. Choose based on your vehicle's setup. Water capacity. Look for a model with a capacity between 150 milliliters to 300 milliliters. This size offers a balance between runtime and portability. A larger tank means fewer refills. Mist output. Adjustable mist modes are ideal. Some models offer continuous and intermittent mist options. Consistent mist helps maintain a comfortable humidity level inside the car. Noise level. Opt for a model with ultrasonic technology, which operates quietly, perfect for long drives or using while kids sleep in the backseat. Additional features. Features like auto shutoff, LED mood lighting, or aroma diffuser compatibility can enhance your experience. The best car humidifier blends function, size, and convenience. Whether you're fighting dry air or want to enjoy your favorite essential oils while commuting, a quality humidifier can elevate your driving comfort. Pick one that fits your lifestyle and driving habits, and enjoy the road in healthier air. Thanks for watching the video.